Guys, so now we're gonna move on to our sauce. This is pretty easy, and you can kind of make this any way you like. Your pot is nice and hot. You're gonna add in your stick of butter. And for this, you're only gonna be using half of your seasonings. I would just keep all of your seasonings out because it is the majority of what I listed prior. So while this is melting, you can go ahead and add in the seasonings. Go in with a tablespoon of salt, a half a tablespoon of black pepper. Try to mix the butter around so that your seasoning isn't just going on your dry surface. I have a tablespoon of Old Bay, which does include a lot of the stuff that we're adding in here already. That's why I'm not adding a whole tablespoon. Half a tablespoon of your red pepper flakes. And a half a tablespoon of your chili powder. Now we're going to move into our tablespoons. So we're going to do a tablespoon of paprika. Tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of thyme, mix it in. So my heat is on low, and the garlic that I have mixed earlier, I'm gonna add that in. And a tablespoon of some brown sugar, and the brown sugar is just going to even out the taste. Now those lemons, I'm going to go in with the juice of 1.5 of a lemon, or you can just use 1/2 if you're not big on lemon. So you can allow this to cook for about 3 minutes and your sauce should be done. I did go ahead and add another half stick of butter since it's all that I have left. And once this is cooked, you just turn it off and set it aside and wait for your crab to be finished. And you can decide to drizzle your sauce all over your crab and your veggies, or use it as a dipping sauce. So there you go, guys. You have a nice dipping sauce for your smack and boil.